A showdown in a New York City courtroom between Donald Trump and his former fixer, Michael Cohen. The two have come face to face for the first time at Trump's criminal trial over hush money payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels. And Arthur Chien was there for this morning's testimony. He joins us live from Lower Manhattan with an update. Arthur?
John, this is a pivotal time in this trial, mainly because Michael Cohen is a star witness for the prosecution, and many believe the testimony that he started giving out up here today will dictate the outcome of this case. He has been giving jurors an inside look at how he killed stories that might damage Donald Trump's presidential run back in 2016, noting that more women would have come forward if Stormy Daniels' story were to go public. It is well known at this point that Cohen served as Trump's lawyer and also fixer, obviously former, in both of those cases. He talked about how Trump allegedly felt pressure after the Access Hollywood tape became public, and in particular about how it might damage the presidential run. Cohen says after that Access Hollywood tape was made public, he made payments to Stormy Daniels, he says, at Trump's direction, who then reimbursed him while allegedly falsifying business records to cover up those hush money payments. Now in 2018, Cohen, with the feds closing in and Trump distancing himself, pleaded guilty to crimes including campaign finance violations for his role in paying off two women who said they had sex with Trump to silence them. Now, a year later in 2019, Cohen testified before Congress to set the record straight, and we choose to share this testimony to you right now because it is the clearest window we can give you to the testimony he's giving in the courthouse behind us right now.
Mr. Trump is a con man. He asked me to pay off an adult film star with whom he had an affair and to lie about it to his wife, which I did. And lying to the First Lady is one of my biggest regrets because she is a kind, good person, and I respect her greatly, and she did not deserve that. And I'm giving the committee today a copy of the $130,000 wire transfer from me to Ms. Clifford's attorney during the closing days of the presidential campaign that was demanded by Ms. Clifford to maintain her silence about her affair with Mr. Trump.
Now, having pled guilty to multiple offenses, Cohen is somewhat of a complicated witness. Trump continues to attack his credibility, and coming into the courthouse today, continued to paint this process as a corrupt one while saying he has insisted, we should point out, that he has not slept with Stormy Daniels. Have a listen at what he had to say a couple hours ago.
Greg cannot prove his case. Got no evidence. And I'm innocent. This is a political witch hunt, and nobody's ever seen anything like it. And it's, I tell you what, the appellate division on the judges should step in, because what this judge is getting away with is disgraceful.
Now, legal experts we've been using to track this say there has been a lot of evidence that has been submitted despite what the former president says there. Now, with Cohen's testimony, it seems to indicate that prosecutors are close to wrapping up their case. We're getting word that could happen by the end of this week. When that happens, the defense will take over, and the key question right now is whether or not they would call Donald Trump himself to the stand here. That's the latest from Lower Manhattan in New York. We go back to you, John.